Hello everybody, this is Barbaros Aral again from FlagCandle.net. After the first video, I received many requests to make another video to explain our strategy and the indicator. Unfortunately, I can speak just 2-3 languages, and everybody is asking the video in their own language, but I will try to put the subtitles in English at the end of the video, and hopefully you can just stop and translate it into your own language. And of course, as always, if you have some point that you didn't understand, you can always contact with me through the email or the Skype or Facebook, whatever. I'm ready to help to everybody. After I received all these requests, and today I updated also our website and put a little bit more pictures and explanations on our strategy. I mean, for our strategy. Let's go and have a look at it, and then we will try to apply all these rules on the live chart. So if you go to the flagcandle.net and go to the how to trade, and this is the only the basic strategy, the 2 times trade after the flag candle and the stop. And I assume that everybody who is trying to use this strategy is the beginner, and they have 5020 USD, which will cover 8 martingale levels. Because if you are not experienced trader, then you have to be strong against the market. But if you are able to analyze the market, you are experienced, then of course you can handle it with a smaller amount. And because the people were also asking, is it really necessary to have the 5020 USD to start with binary option trading system? And I said, if you have it, it will be better, and if you are not experienced, it's really good for you to win all the time. So let's have a look at the rules. As you can understand from the name, we will start 2 times after the flag candle, and whenever we win, then we will stop, either on the first one or the second one. Okay, in this example, after the flag candle, the first one we lost and the second one we won. Here another flag candle, on the first one we won and we stop, and another one, first one, and we stop. This is the easiest case. And let's have a look again what will happen, or what we will do, if 2 flag candles comes after each other and there is no gap in between them, or it can be just tie bar. In this case, you see here one flag candle and the second one is coming and showing the opposite direction, and in this case we will stick on the last one and continue to the direction of the flag candle. So the first one we place direction to the down, and the second one is showing the up, and we placed our trade to direction to up and we won. This is the scenario for 2 flag candles comes after each other, or there can be 1 or 2 or whatever the amount of the tie candlesticks. Okay, so this is the same one, and if the tie candlestick comes after the flag candle, what we will do, we will stick on the direction and keep continue to trade in the same direction, and we will ignore it because it is tie. Okay, another scenario is we can encounter during the trade is more than two flag candles comes after each other. So if it is happening, that it means that right now the market is not stable, then we have to stop and wait for a minimum 8-10 minutes, and again check the market, how is it going on. And if within this period there are too many flag candles are happening, again wait for 8-10 or half an hour. So in this example, because of the first flag candle, our trade direction was down, and the second one, and that candlestick also became a flag candle because it was much higher than the total the volume of these two candlesticks. Then it became a flag candle. So we lost the first one, and because of these two candlesticks are stick to each other and there is no gap, and we placed our second trade on the direction of the second flag candle, so it was up, but again it was going down, and again it became a flag candle. So in this case we will understand that the market is not stable, and we will stop trading, we will not continue. Even if we win, if we would continue, and maybe we will win, but it can also happen to go to the up and became another flag candle. So therefore it is better for us to stop, especially if you are a beginner and if you don't know how to read the market. Okay, and another scenario is what we will do after we lose the two trades after the flag candle. What we will do, and what will be the next step. In this example, we trade 2 times after the flag candle and we lost. But if you have a little bit experience, and if you know how to read the market, and if you know something about bars, then you can just make these quick calculations by yourself, and you can decide if you will continue the third one or not. If you combine these two candlesticks, 1 and 2, these are down, but still the flag candle's body covers these losses. I mean, it is still bigger than these losses, and there is no other opposite direction flag candle, then it means that that trend will still go to rise up. If you can read this one, if you have this experience, you can play the third one, but if you don't know, just stop after 2 losses and wait for 10 minutes. Okay, and in this example, the flag candle happened here on the fourth, the same bar. There are 4 same down candlesticks. Actually, we should be a little bit careful if the candlestick is happening after 4, 5, 6, 7, then we should be a little bit careful. Anyway, let's say we trade on the down direction and we lost, and that one became also another flag candle, and they are stick to each other and there is no gap in between them. Then we place the fourth one to the direction to the up, and V1 on the fourth level. Okay. Okay, so here is the another example to lose, and what we will do. Actually, I'm explaining the flag candle types a little bit down, and as I'm always telling that you know, if the candlestick just before of from the flag candle and the flag candle body itself became very long, then we should avoid the trade. Normally, we shouldn't be trading after this flag candle, but what I'm trying to do is, you know, trying to show you, if you are not experienced and even trading after every flag candle, then what you can do. But of course, I suggest you to read all these information from our website, and you have to, not you have to, but it is better if you attend to the webinars and learn more about the candles, flag candle types, and also how to analyze the market. Then you will be much more lucky, I think, to win the trades. Okay, let's say you trade after this flag candle and lost 2 times, and wait for 8-10 minutes, the minimum 8, let's say, and you will start to count from the first candlestick. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so this is the 10 and more, and you will place the trade direction to the down. We lost 2 trades here, and on the third one we won, and our profit would be approximately $6 if you are starting from the $5, $10, and $25 or $30. Then the total profit will be about $6. Okay, should we trade after each flag candle? This is what I was mentioning. For example, if we have a look at here, again, if the previous candlestick from the flag candle and the flag candle itself became too long, and or much longer than the previous candles sticks, then it is better you to avoid to trade after this kind of flag candles. Okay, and even the direction is showing down, you know, 1 2 3, so flag candle still covers. If you put all these candlesticks on each other, and still it's covering, that it means that the trend will still go down. But if you don't have this experience, it's better you to stop, or better you not to trade after this flag candle. The same thing here, and one and the second candlesticks, they are equal to this one. You know, it's starting from here to here. So it's also better not to trade the same scenario. You know, the previous one and the flag candle by itself, it's too long, and not to trade, or wait for at least 2-3 times. The same scenario, you see, again too long, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, almost 9 candlesticks are in the same size of this combination of these candlesticks. Okay. Another case is if the flag candle is happening after 5th or 6th, the same direction of the flag candle, then we should also be avoiding to trade. And usually it's happening because of the opposite side biggest or the big candlestick. Again, if you have a look at these 5 down candlesticks, and if you put all of them on each other, the size is still less than the white candlestick. And also it is touching to the resistance level. Okay, then it's better you to also avoid to trade after this kind of flag candles. And this is the red one, that's why we have to avoid. And the second one, we should also avoid trading because again the previous candlestick and the flag candle by itself altogether it is much longer than the previous candlesticks. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, it is equal, so therefore we should also be avoiding to trade after this kind of candlesticks. This is the same. Okay, you can pause the video and or you can just go to our website and read all these things, and after then you can start to apply these rules on your demo account first, please. And whenever you are confident to go for the real account, then you can go. So let's go back to our MT4 platform and what's going on here. Then we can have a look. Let's say here is AUDUSD. Let's have a look to AUDUSD and try to apply our rules. I will unclick off this one. Let's go back a little bit back here, wherever you want. Okay. And another thing is actually here, you see, if the trend is in between first support and resistance levels, and if there are too many flag candles are happening here, and if of course there is no volume, you should be also avoiding to trade in this period. You can just continue with other pairs or just wait for I don't know, half an hour or 1 hour, something like this. But anyway, then if you started, let's say, I don't know, here, let's say you started here, delete this one. The first rule: 2 times trade, whether you win or lost, stop. Okay, so this is I just remember that the people were asking if this indicator is working in all time periods. Yes, it's working in every time periods and every assist or every pairs. But this is a 5-minute chart and this is a 15 minutes, and 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month, and so on. And also people are mostly asking me if they can use this indicator to trade from the MT4 platform. Yes, you can, but you should be careful, and you should be checking more things, because what I'm explaining right now is for binary option trading. It's for 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 5 minutes trading. This is the strategy for binary options. Or if you want to use this indicator for the trade from the MT4 platform, you should be considering to catch the really the market is going high or up, so therefore you have to check for the market in the longer periods what's going on, and then you should decide your steps. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, so go back to the viewer. Okay, here 2 times trade and V1, right? Okay, the next flag candle is here, then V1, and that one, 1, 2, we lost, and wait for 8-10 minutes according to our rules, that because the market is, let's say, not stable, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so we ignore this one, and this is more than 8, so we should place our trade after this flag candle, and on the third one we won. Then continue again. On the first one we lost, and the second one we are the winner. And okay, so let me also write here how much would be the income. So on this one, this is on the third one. Third one will bring us $6 if you play $30 here, 5, 10, and 30. And this is on the first one, it will bring us 3.5. Of course, if I assume that it is 70%, it's 70% the ratio. This is the second one, and then we will earn $2 too, and so on. At the end of the video we can summarize our profit. Okay, so this is the second one, again 2, okay, here this is what I was talking about, you know, it's the market is the how to say in between the first support and the resistance level. Actually we should be waiting a little bit more, but never mind. So we lost the first 2 trades, and after that wait for 8-10 minutes, and again on the third one we won $6 more. Okay, here on the first one we won 3.5. On the first one again we won 3.5. Here in the first one oops, where is it? Sorry, where is it? Never mind, I think I was just copying it accidentally. Okay, and this one is also 3.5. And this one we lost. And we wait for another flag candle. Okay, we placed 2 more. Okay, and again wait for 10 minutes and 5 and on the 6th level. And the 6th levels means that we placed $500 and it brought us total $30 profit. Okay, so this one, I'm just applying the rules as simple as possible. Okay. For this one again, 3.5. After this one, 3.5 dollars here. Here again. Here 3.5. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's delete this one because I skipped one of them. So yeah, in our website it's also written that we shouldn't be following this kind of the long flag candles unless if they are not breaking the support and the resistance levels. And if they are breaking the support and resistance levels, we should keep continue to direction. But we placed 2 times here. We lost. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say if you want to skip this one, you can continue from here and combine it. Then 3 trades. After 3 trades, we won. So it means it is 6 year income. Okay. So again, after here, 2 times we lost. And wait for 8-10 minutes. Here after this one. Again $6. Here this one. 3.5. Okay. So for this one, it's showing direction to the up. 2 candlesticks comes after each other. According to the first one, we placed direction to the up, but we lost, and that one became the flag candle, and the direction to the down, and we placed direction down, and we won. So the total profit from here is $2. So this is the example that we should be avoid trading after these flag candles. Then these are the so big 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, almost the same level of the 8 previous candlesticks. So we should be avoiding this one, and I hope you realize this kind of flag candles and avoiding. This is the same, and continue from here. Okay, 3.5. Okay, here we can write again $3.5. $3.5. And this one, and this one, we won in the second trade, so it means it got us $2. I think we are getting closer to the current time, and hopefully we can also trade on real time. So this is a 3.5. To this one, 3.5. After the second trade, we are the winner. Again, after the second one, so here let's say we lost 2 trades, and wait for 8-10 minutes. And this is the candlestick, the black candle that we will continue to start, and that one, and the first one we are the winner. So after 2 loss, in the third one we are the winner. Okay, so this one is also the up. I mean, it's higher than the sorry, okay, so there is one more flag candle here, so we placed down on this one, let's say here, and that one became another flag candle, and that's the reason we play 2 direction up and we won. So after the second trade, we are the winner, so our profit is $2. Again, the second one winner, here, and the first one winner, fine. Okay, so yes, so finally we are in the same time, and I will be explaining what we should do. Okay, so here is the first one. 2.5, and this one is also the first one. 3.5. This one is the mirror on the second one. Okay. So let's go to layers. Okay, so you see this flag candle, actually it's longer than the others, but it's also the breaking the support level, the resistance level, and we placed, this is the neutral tie bar, and so we placed 2 times here. But as I said, if you know how to read the market is going down, and this 2 candlesticks is still much more shorter than the flag candle. We should be continue to trading on the down direction. So we lost 2 trades here. And waiting for the next flag candle. Please just keep in your mind, this technique is for not the advanced one. This is the basic rules, and if you learn all these things, and in the following weeks I'm going to explain also to prepare the webinars for the advanced techniques and how we can earn more money applying exactly the same rules. But before this one, you should be reading all these golden rules and the trading rules, and you have to learn all these things, and you should be sure that you really learned all of them and applied on your demo account. Then we will go for the real one, because I don't want anybody to lose money anymore. Okay, so this is the flag candle, hopefully it's going to be, and the next one we will be trading direction to the up. Okay, so let's say we placed direction to the up from here. You see, but it looks like we are going to be the winner. Still we have 30 seconds to finish, but it's too big. As you can see, these 2 flag candles, and after that one is really high, but also it is breaking the all the support and the resistance levels. but anyway, it is too big. I suggest to wait after this candlestick. This is not a flag candle, but a candlestick. Just wait if you want to continue the trade. But just because of our, let's say, follow our rules, and we won this trade. So this is on the third one, and our profit is $6. And today is 17th of the November, and the server time is 2015 right now. So I wonder how much is the profit after we start. Let's calculate. I will write all these things. So I have two monitors, and I took this Excel sheet to another monitor, and I will calculate all these things. The first one is the $2, second one 3.5, and 6, 2, because somebody was asking me how much they can earn with this system if they go just 5 and 10 or so on. I said I don't know, and it depends how many flag candles are occurring on the system, and how successful you are to recognize the flag candles, and it depends on the system and you. About 3.5, one more 3.5, and after that 30, 3.7, 14, and the 6 here, 20, 26, 29 and a half, 31 and a half, 32, 35, 7, 42, 44, and 51, 55, 61, 65, here 72, 79, 81, 87. Okay, so I'm going to put 87. And if I summarize here, so let me put it here. You count sum from here to here. Okay, so $144.5 from, what was the time? 1:30 p.m. From 1:30 till 8:30, let's say, or it was the last one here, let's say 8. Within 6.5 hours, we made $140. But this is the basic system. and there is of course another way that we can double the income, but it's a little bit advanced technique, and you should be learning all these rules, and you should have no problem to recognize the candlestick types and so on. Then we can go for the next step, next advanced level, to make more profit, how we can make it. And also the people were asking again if the flag candle is appearing above or under the candlesticks just right after the time is finished, or it's happening during the flag candles creation. So as you had seen here, it's if the current market price exceeds the limit, it's immediately start to appear on the candles. So you will have always time to prepare yourself to trade. Okay guys, so this is it, and everybody is asking me to prepare the video in their own language, but as I said before, the maximum I can put the subtitle on it, and you can just pause the video and try to translate into your own language. And if you have some points that you don't understand, please do not hesitate to contact me. So thank you for joining me today, and yeah, next webinar is going to be next week on Monday, and unfortunately last week there were too many people wanted to attend, and our maximum capacity is 25 at the moment because of the software that which I'm using. It's allowing me to have 25 participants, and if I can find another software which allows me the more participants, then I will inform or change the information here, but right now our capacity is 25 people. So hope to see you in the next video or in the webinars, and I wish all of you who were downloading the software the good luck, and please try all these golden rules and how to trade our strategy rules first in your demo account, and whenever you are confident, then go for the live one. Okay, I really don't want anybody to lose even $5 as you have seen here. So this is a very strong strategy and a very strong indicator that you will always win. And actually I don't have so much time to explain